So you've unboxed your brand new plasma cutter and you're keen to start using it. In this video, we're going to go through what you need to do to get your machine ready to start cutting. First up, we have the torch. Plug this into the socket labelled torch found on the front of the machine, and then screw down the collar to ensure a secure fit. Taking the control lead, plug this into the socket labelled control. Again, screw this down, ensuring a secure fit. Out the box, the torch should already have consumables installed. However, we're going to go through how you fit these, as you will need to change them in the future. Holding the torch upside down, take your electrode and drop this into the torch head. It doesn't matter which way round this goes. Now take your swirl ring and slide this over the top of the electrode, and it should sit flush with the collar. Taking your cutting tip, place this over the top of the electrode and it should just cover the swirl ring. Now secure everything in place by screwing on the shield cup. Hand tight is just fine and your torch is now complete. Taking the included earth lead, fit this to the socket labelled workpiece found on the front of the machine. This should secure in place with a simple push and twist. Taking the airline from your compressor, secure this to the gas inlet found on the back of your machine. So we've fitted our torch and earth lead and briefly gone over the torch consumables. We've secured an airline to the back of the plasma cutter, and now your machine is ready to start cutting. It really is that simple. But if you have any questions on this machine or any of the machines in the R-Tech range, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We do have a trade counter which you're welcome to pop into, and we do offer free demos on all of the machines in the R-Tech range, and more details of this can be found over on our website.